Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 6, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. 5th row and 6th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 6th grade, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, column J, and 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H and 5th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 is confirmed here. 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column D, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column D, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, column C, we have 1. 7 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in on the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, we have 8, 4, 7. The 3 numbers can't come the 2 cells. It will come in any one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. Column B, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, column I, we have 2. 8th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, and 2nd row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 3rd row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 8th row and 9th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, column I and second row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column E, column G we have 2. Second row and 4th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Seventh grade, column G, column H we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Eighth row, 3 will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, column G we have 4. 4th row and 3rd row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 3rd row and 4th row we have 7. 10th row also we have 7. 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Second row we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. We can confirm 3 also here. 10th row only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 9th row and column I we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column F we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Second row 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column F we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column J only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. We can confirm 3 also here. 8th row 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column G we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column B only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 8th grade 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column G we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column F only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column E 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 4th row we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 3rd row 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column I we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 9th row 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column H we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.